All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I wanted to go ahead and talk to you about the DJI Mic Mini. Now, currently been using I have several mics, but the DJI Mic Mini is compact. It's supposed to be really small, so I wanted to check it out myself. So I went on ahead and just bought the entire kit. I currently have a DJI Mic 2, and I've used that a lot, and it is one of the best microphones you can use outside or just anywhere. I see people use them all the time. But in this video, as I try to be really careful with this knife, we're going to go ahead and pop open this Mini here and give it a run and see just how good the audio really is in comparison to just using a phone or a great presentation right away, I gotta say. Looks like you get some stickers and manual here, and this is the box. But I wanted to get the Mic Mini because I see a lot of people using this, and I haven't seen too many people like comment on whether it's good or not. I just see them using it. So based on the audio that they have, it is really good. So as I unbox it here, you can see you have two of these wind filters here, probably in here. Oh, you've got four. You got different color ones here. You got the little exotic looking ones. And you have a USB here with a 3.5 millimeter as well. So that's pretty nice. You got a USB-A to USB-C. You've got a 3.5 millimeter setup here. And then also in here, you have a nice little carrying package, by the way. And then you just have this this is a padded pouch too, by the way. And then you have the actual mics here. And we're gonna go ahead and get them open. I'm gonna fire them up and start using them. And I'll show you a sound test in this video just to see if I can see anything kind of different in comparison. So right out of the gate here, you can see this is more packaging. This is the packaging that it comes in. It's actually pretty cool. This is what you get. So these are minis, but wow, these are pretty nice. I'm gonna charge them up and I'm gonna get and the reason I got this full kit is because typically I'm using most of my DJI stuff that pairs automatically with this Action 5. The DJI Mic 2 can be used by itself as well with the built-in storage. But I got this one because I'm probably going to use this with phones. I use a lot of phones to record. I really love using phones to record. And I really like this right here. I was like, man, I really like how this is. You can set the gains on here and you have a receiver. And I thought that was really nice. And then obviously you can plug in the Type-C here. If I can get it out. Come on, buddy. There we go. You can plug in the Type-C right here, just like that. And you plug it into a phone, and then you'll have a receiver for the phone. So as far as it being a mini, yeah, it is a fairly small mic here. This is a fairly small mic, and I'm going to show you the sound quality in just a second here, but I went on and got the full kit here. Instead of getting just the single for $80, this whole thing was $170. And I just felt like it would be good because if I want to use it with a receiver or I want to use it more on phones, because I do a lot of phones with recording. As a matter of fact, this video is being recorded with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in here. I'm just going to fire up one of these. I'm going to put the receiver in, and we're going to keep recording with the Edge here. I'm going to get this paired up so we can try on some of the people call these dead cats, but I started to call them wind filters again. So it kind of snaps on like this, like that. That is what it would look like. And the other color here, I like this color. This is a very nice little shade here. I like this. There's grooves on the mic. I'll show you here. There's two grooves, two notches on that side to let you know that's how you put it on. And obviously this side is smooth. And then when you look on this side here, you can see the two little grooves there. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this mic up to the S25 Edge, and we're going to go ahead and record some more with this sound. Now, fun fact, the audio up until this point is from the DJI Mic 2. So I'm going to turn the Mic 2 off, and I'm going to show you just for a second the mic on the Galaxy S25 Edge. So I just turned off the Galaxy, the mic on the DJI Mic 2, which here it is right here. And the Mic 2 is the size of the receiver. Wow, that's crazy. But there you have that. So as you can see, there's no pairing really needed. When you have the receiver, it's automatically synced up. So this is ready to go. I just need to plug it into the phone, which is nice, and I'll be able to adjust the gains. But if you're going to sync it to something, this is the sync button right here, and this is the power button. So here is the DJI Mic 2 next to the Mic Mini. It is definitely a mini, a lot more lightweight, but you do get the magnet as well. And I think this is why a lot of people love this. I'm getting ready to take a trip, and I wanted something a little bit more compact. Now the minis don't have the internal storage, but that's okay. It's still going to be really nice to use this. So audio up to this point now has been the Galaxy S25 Edge. So let's pause and let's get this microphone hooked up to this mini hooked up to the S25 Edge, and then we'll go from there. All right, now audio is coming from the DJI Mic Mini right here. I have it plugged in, put on my shirt the same way I do every other microphone. Here's the DJI Mic 2. I'm really curious how this audio is going to be. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the gains right now real briefly here. Let's go ahead and change this so you can see a difference. I just twisted the gain there. You can see a difference in the quality of the microphone and how it's going to compare next to the initial start of this video, with the Mic 2, and then versus the Galaxy S25 Edge's microphone. The Galaxy S25 Edge does have a Pro mode, but I didn't use that mode. Let's go up on the gain again, and you can see here, this is what the audio is going to sound like if I choose to use this setting. So let's switch the gain over back the other way. And here we go. This is what the DJI mic sounds like with the gain adjusted some more. Let's adjust it one more time on the negative. And here we are with the gains set again. So the DJI Mic Mini, if I can get it out, the DJI Mic Mini, hopefully the sound quality is good. And let's switch back to the other view. And I wanted to go ahead and show you that I was actually wearing it. And then here is the actual Mic 2. But let's close this video out. And let's see, I can't wait to see how this sounds myself too. And now we're gonna go outside for a minute because it's always very windy outside. And as a matter of fact, it is hot and sunny and windy out right now. So I'm just using the front camera, the S25 Edge if you're wondering, but it is hot and it is windy. So you let me know. I have the gains on the microphone. I'm not adjusting it. They're set at just a 0. And on the receiver, you saw the little orange slits. That just means that they're equal. There's no positive or minus gain. So, wow. This is what it's going to sound like. I'm going back inside, but there it is right there. So hopefully the wind is filtered out pretty well. I know if I adjust the gains up on the positive, it's going to definitely pick up better audio, but I want to test it out because I'll probably use it in this neutral setting most of the time. Let's get back inside. All right, so I decided to finish off the video with the DJI Mic Mini. As you can see, here we go. It is definitely on the phone. And the Mic 2 is right here. Now, the difference is with the Mic 2, I've learned just in the short period of time of testing this out. Now, obviously, a little bit of time has gone by since I started this video, and I've been kind of using this microphone. So this microphone, you can make adjustments to it, but not like I found. I like having the mini receiver. I think I just kind of just like the mini a little bit better. Maybe I'm wearing the DJI Mic 2 wrong. But what I found basically is what I'm saying is I have to keep the Mic 2 a little bit closer to my mouth than I do with the Mic Mini. So that's why I say I guess a lot of people wearing the Mic Minis farther down because it's actually a pretty powerful mic. And so the Mic 2 is still my go-to. It's really nice. I've had it since it came out and it's really nice. But this Mic Mini is actually really good. And I'm glad that I picked it up. I think it's worth the money. I'll leave a link in the description if you decide to pick one up. I suggest getting the entire set because you get 2 microphones. And if you want to interview someone or you want to talk to someone or you're just doing a vlog or something with more than one person, you can have good audio for each person. So as far as the gains go, I think I'll probably will adjust the gains down a little bit, or I'll wear the mic a little bit lower. But I like to have the mic positioned on my left shoulder or my right shoulder lapel, basically, to get the best audio. So the wind filter definitely works really good because it is windy outside. It may be 100 degrees out there or 90 degrees, but it feels like 100. But it's got a really warm, strong breeze. And where I live at, there's always a breeze, man. It's beautiful out here. So year round almost. So yeah, I like this case, by the way. I always talk about cases, but this case is nice raised lettering right there. And this is going to be a much sturdier case than I thought it was going to be. It's a matte feel to it. And I love my pouch. So when I travel here, coming up in a little bit, this is the microphone setup that I'm taking. I won't be taking any cameras this time, no mirrorless cameras. I'm just solely going to be using phones. And that is the way I'm going to do it. So I think if you have a vlog or just you do videos, you don't even need a vlog, you just do videos, content creation, get this set right here. Now that I've been using it for a little bit of time, you're watching this video in one felt swoop, but using this for a little bit of time now, I got to tell you, it is a phenomenal set of microphones, and I can see why a lot of people are gravitating towards the Mini from these bigger Mic 2s, because these are a little bit heavier. I got the white one, obviously, but you can get it in black or the transparent version. But I like this Mic Mini. You can get the Mic Mini in white as well, but I got it with black. This time it'll be a little bit more discreet because I'm going to be out and I want to record good audio, but I don't want to be so loud with it, if you will. So black wind filter on the black mic, very discreet. I'll be able to get lots of great audio like you're hearing right now. This video is finishing out with the Galaxy S25 Edge, and it's being recorded, the audio from the DJI Mic Mini. So I'll leave a link in the description. You decide to grab yours. I highly recommend it for those that are creating content. See you in the next video. Take care.